In order to schedule Instagram story using the Facebook Creator Studio, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go to Meta Business Suite or business.facebook.com/creator studio. And here you can create posts for your business page and access insights. Creator Studio now allows you to link your Instagram account and schedule posts for your Instagram feed and IGTV. To link your Instagram account to Creator Studio, click on the Instagram icon at the top and then click Connect Your Account and sign in to your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, your Instagram account will be linked to your Facebook business page. And now you should see your existing Instagram post below. Now to schedule a new story, click on Create Story in the top and upload any photo or video from your desktop. And after adding the image, you can write a caption in the text box, and you can also add hashtags, tag friends from the Instagram, and include a location if you wish. To post immediately, you can click on Publish or Post. And if you want to schedule it for later, click the Schedule button, select Schedule, and then choose the date and time for the post. When you're done, click on Schedule, and at the scheduled time, your post will be automatically be published on your Instagram account. And that's all it takes to schedule Instagram story with the Facebook Creator Studio. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.